Hello everyone, kumusta po? Welcome once again to our Tagalog learning lesson. Tagalog is one of the official languages of the Philippines. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very happy and safe. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, and university professor in the Philippines, and school paper advisor, and journalism teacher before I came here to New York City, USA, where I am, and author. I'm the author of 22 books, and the first one is Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD. And my second book, among my 22 books, yes, I have 22 books published at Amazon. This is Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes. This is my beloved mom in front of the kitchen of our house. A gift from my dad from the United States. My dad is a USA stenographer, typist for so many years. And then when he retired, he was twice an elected leader. And my beloved mom as well was the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, only girl in her family, and a former beauty queen and more. In this, my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com. My other website is juanitagutierrez.com. And by the way, you will notice a small board. This is a gift from my students here in New York City School. Here in New York City, where I am, the USA. She is a Filipina and she's a valedictorian. Very good. And all my students love me and they always give me gifts. In Tagalog, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe po sa akin. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga bago kong subscribers. At tinitingnan ko po sa algorithm ang lahat ng mga pangalan upang tama po lahat. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa William Charity Vlog dahil napakabait po niya. Siya po ay nagbibigay ng mga pagkain at libreng gupit sa mga nangangailangan. Kaya bisitahin po ninyo siya. At lahat po ng aking mga subscribers, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat. And I will give a shout out to you. God bless you all. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon. And this is Speak Tagalog book you'll find at outskirtspress.com, juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, at Amazon, all online stores. Also, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes, you'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And as I have mentioned, my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and my second website, juanitagutierrez.com. I'm inviting you all to visit my two websites po. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo in Tagalog na bisitahin ang aking dalawang website. Kayo po ay imbitado. Now, for those of you who are learning Tagalog for diplomacy, friendship, and travels, we continue with our lessons. And today we're going to discuss kinds of pronouns. In Tagalog, uri. Kinds of, in Tagalog, ng pronouns. In Tagalog, panghalip. Panghalip. And there are two kinds of pronouns. May dalawang uri ng panghalip. The first one, panghalip panao. Panghalip panao. In English, personal pronoun. Halimbawa, example in English, ako, me in English, ikaw, you in English, siya, he, she in English, sila, they. The second kind of pronouns in Tagalog, ikalawang uri ng panghalip. Panghalip, pamatlig. Panghalip, pamatlig. In English, demonstrative pronouns. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, ito. Ito. In English, this. Dito. Dito. In English, here. Doon. Doon. In English, there. Iyon. Iyon. In English, that. Let's review kinds of pronouns. In Tagalog, uri ng panghalip. Pronouns is panghalip in English. Of is noun in Tagalog. Kinds is uri in Tagalog. Number 1, panghalip, panao. Panghalip, panao. That is, in English, personal pronoun. Example, halimbawa. In Tagalog, ako. Ako. In English, me. Siya. Siya. In English, he, she. Ikaw. Ikaw. In English, you. Sila. Sila. In English, they. The second, panghalip, pamatlig. Ang ikalawa, panghalip, pamatlig. Ang ikalawa, second, in Tagalog, panghalip, pamatlig. In English, demonstrative pronoun. Example, halimbawa, ito, ito. In English, this. Dito, dito. In English, here. Doon, doon. In English, there. Iyon, iyon. In English, that. So those are the two kinds of pronouns, and there are more. We will continue on as we go along. And I hope you learned something today. See you once again. Thank you all for watching. See you. And may God, I am presence, always bless us in love and light. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat. Magkita uli po tayo at pagpalain po tayo ng lumikha sa liwanag at pag-ibig. In English, may God, I am presence, bless us all in love and light. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all.